Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I just have to show you the most beautiful glass tumblers from Joeyan. When I saw these, I just knew I had to have them. These tumblers are amber glass, so they have that really beautiful creamy color. Lots of great texture on here as well. The whole thing is glass, so not only the cup itself, but also the lid and the straw. So you do have to be a little bit delicate with these, but it's not like they're super fragile. They're well made. It's a nice thick glass, so they're not going to break on you super easily, but they are made of glass, so you got to be a little careful. I love the size. It's 22 ounces, so it easily holds a can of whatever you're drinking with ice. Lots of room in there. The base narrows a bit, so it does fit into a cup holder as well. I like the seal on it. It keeps the lid on and in place. It also comes with straw cleaners, so that's just an added bonus. So if you're looking for the most beautiful tumblers ever, I found them for you. They are an awesome, awesome choice. I'm sure you'll love them too, and that's my point of view.